Garvin Industries heavy-duty rod-hanging beam clamps are made from galvanized steel and come in a variety of sizes for 3/8" threaded rod, 1/2", 5/8", or 3/4" threaded rod that is inserted into the bottom of the clamp. The top is made with a set screw and also includes a jam nut to prevent any vibratory loosening off the beam. The way this product installs is quite easy. You simply align the jaw of the clamp right on the beam where you want to drop the threaded rod. You slide it into place, and then using the set screw on the top, tighten it down so that it bites against the top of the beam. Make sure you get it nice and tight for a solid install. At this point, you want to secure the jam nut down to the top of the clamp to prevent any vibratory loosening that may occur in the building over time. At this point, you're now ready to install your 3/8", 1/2", 5/8", or 3/4" threaded rod. You simply align the threaded rod with the threads in the bottom of the beam clamp and then screw it in like so. It'll dead end into the bottom of the beam, and you're now ready to hang a variety of electrical, plumbing, or other fixtures off of an overhead beam. For these and other great products, be sure to visit us online at garvinindustries.com.